How to change map type in Apple Maps on iPhone. Here's how to do it. First, open the Maps app on your iPhone. Once the map is open, look for the Map Modes button near the lower right corner of the screen. Tap it to see the available map views. Depending on your iPhone and location, you may see options such as Explore, Driving, Transit, or Satellite. Simply select the view you want and the map will update immediately. For example, Satellite gives you an aerial view, while Driving focuses more on roads and navigation. You can also access traffic information when it's available in your area. If you want a 3D map, zoom in and use the 3D option when it's available. You can also drag 2 fingers upward on the map to change from a 2D view to a 3D view. Keep in mind that some features are only available in certain locations. And that's it. Now you know how to change the map view in Apple Maps and customize it based on what you're doing. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips and Apple Maps tutorials.